Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here at CVS getting ready to do an incredible Dove deal for you guys. So let's get ready. You want to make sure you have your Fetch app downloaded. If you haven't downloaded it, it's okay. I put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. Just click on the link, set your account up. And when you scan your first receipt, you're going to get $2 plus the amount of any rebates that you get. So guys, let's go ahead and get ready to save on this Dove deodorant because this is an excellent deal. Okay guys, so the deal is going to be on the Dove deodorant, and we're going to do it on this sprays. And you have to get the sprays because of the deal that we're going to do. Do not get the sticks. You have to get the sprays. So the sprays are actually buy one, get one 50% off. And you see that they're $9.49. Buy one, get one half off. And when you spend $25, you're going to get $10 back in extra bucks. So we have to get enough so that we get up to $25. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually grab 4 of these sprays. And with that being said, we're going to pay 2 of them at full price, and then we're going to pay 2 of them at half price. And you can get any scent that you want. It doesn't matter. All of the scents are the same price, so it doesn't matter which ones you get. And it's also a part of the deal of all these other things that I'm showing you: the Degree, the Secret, the men's Degree, the men's Dove, and these here, the Old Spice. You can only do this deal once. So if you already did any of those other products, you can't do this Dove deal. So you have to pick and choose which deal you're going to do, because you can only do it once to get the $10 and extra bucks back. But you could do it as many times as you want to get them as buy one, get one half off. So I'm choosing to do the Dove spray deodorant, and I think that's the best deal because of the different coupons that we have along with the Fetch items. So I'm going to grab 2 of these cocoa melon, that's my favorite, or cucumber melon, and I'm going to grab 2 of these shea butter. So that's my 4 that I'm going to grab. And remember, we're going to pay 2 at full price and 2 at half price. So I'm going to sit these down here in the cart so that you can see these better as we go over the rest of the deal, and I explain everything to you very clearly. So we're going to use 2 coupons, and it is these coupons here. They're $3 off 2 Dove deodorants. You see they don't expire for a while, for another week or so, so you have plenty of time to do them. And they actually came out of this insert. I don't remember the date, and I tore it, so I can't show it to you. So we're going to use 2 coupons, 2 for the one for the one set and 1 for the other set. Now, what we're also going to do is we are going to see, that's why we're getting to our $25. So I wanted to make sure that you knew we had to get to $25. So then we're also going to submit our receipt to Fetch. If you haven't downloaded Fetch, the link is in the description box and the comments. Here you see with Fetch, for every 2 that you buy, you're going to get 3,000 points. 3,000 points equals to $3. So we're going to get a total of $6 back, because we're going to get $2 for one set, $2 for the other set. So that's going to be a total of $6 off with Fetch, plus it's going to be $6 off with our paper coupons. And then you're going to look in your CVS app and see if you have any deodorant coupons. I have a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT, so I'm going to use that. Some people have a $2 off of 8 deodorant CRT. So if you have that, apply that. That way your out of pocket is much lower. And some people even have $2 off 8 CRTs. If you have 2 of them, you can use both of them, because you can use 2 on one set. You can use 1 on one set and 1 on the other set. So that would be a total of $4 you would get off. So just make sure you find those CRTs to make your out of pocket much lower. So guys, let's head up to the register. Let's see what our out of pocket ends up being. Okay, so this is my haul from CVS. Let's go over the receipt. And before we go over the receipt, I just want to tell you that I made a boo-boo, and I was running my mouth with the cashier, and we were laughing, joking, and just having a good time. And he hit total, and I hadn't handed over my two $3 coupons. So we had to go back and return them. They ring them up again. Then he gave me the $6 in cash. So it was just a whole hot mess. So I'm going to show you guys two different receipts so that you can see what we end up doing. Okay. So this is just a warning. Don't be running your mouth with the cashier. Make sure you give them the coupons. Okay. So here are the 4 Dove that I got. Now here's the receipt. So you see there's 2 at full price and 2 at half price. So the first one $9.49, second one half price $4.75, then the next one $9.49, then the next one $4.75 because they're buy one get one half off. And then you see my $3 off 15 deodorant coupon did come off. And like I said, some of you guys will have 3 off 15 and some of you will have 2 off 8. If you have the 2 off of 8 and you have 2 of them, you can use 2. So let me know how you want it. Okay, so the total was $25.46, but if you give your 2 $3 off manufacturer coupons, which I forgot to do, your total would only be $19.46. So let me show you guys. I have this receipt where he then returned everything and then gave me my $3 off CRT and then my $6 in coupons, and then he gave me back the money in cash. So that's how we made that up. So your total after coupons should be $19.46, okay? Now, you're going to submit your receipt. Well, before you do that, here is my $10 in extra bucks, and you see you get that. It says $5 extra bucks rewards for spending $25 on select Dove. But that is a misprint. You see it's $10, and I don't know why it says $5 extra bucks, but it's actually $10. Everything is just like screwed up. It's like Freaky Friday or something. But you see, I even showed you guys the sign in the store. The sign said $10 and it printed $10. And in my account, I have $10. So I got $10 back. So then that brought my total down to $9.46. And then here you see I submitted my receipt to Fetch. Now remember the offer I was telling you about Fetch. For every 2 Dove spray women's deodorant that you buy, you get 3,000 points. 3,000 points adds up to $3. So I got that twice because you can do it 5 times, 5 sets of 2. So I did 2 sets of 2. So I got back $6 for that. So when you do all the math, subtract the $10 in extra bucks, subtract it. I actually got $6.22 from Fetch because you get all those little cents. So when you subtract the $10 in extra bucks and the $6.22 from the $19.46 that we paid at the register, I only paid $3.24 for 4 Doves. Guys, that's an excellent price. That's like getting 1 for 75% off and then getting the other 3 free. So if you have 2 of those Dove coupons, I advise that you go do this deal. If you don't have the Dove coupons, then go onto the Dove website, sign up for their newsletter, and hopefully they'll send you some coupons in time to get this deal. So again, like I was explaining to you, with the, let me show you here. See, I got my $6.22 for the Dove. Okay, and here you see you could do the deal 5 times. And this deal is only for the women's. And that's why in the beginning of the video I was saying you have to do the women's. You can't do the men's in order to get this price. It says offer excludes Dove men's. So guys, that's the deal. Let me know if you go out and do this. Let me know what scents you got. My favorite scents are the shea butter and the cocoa melon, so that's why I got those 2. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and until the next time, keep on saving.